All right, people of Earth, this week's video is a little bit different than what we normally do. Yes, there's a car behind me. This one alone has its own impressive points about it to start with. As you see behind me, this is a Dodge Durango RT 2012. To start with, it has 213,000 miles on it. Before you ask, yes, it still runs. Yes, it does amazing. So we're not really gonna be doing too much with it other than kind of doing a review on something else that somebody asked me to look at, I guess, if you will. It's called Shinearmor. This stuff. It is a window cleaner. Somebody approached me about checking it out for a few weeks, see what I think about it. To be honest with you, super impressed with it. And that's not just the fact that I was asked to do it. It was, I've used it a few times already and it does amazing. It actually smells really nice, which is oddly enough weird. A couple cool things about it. It is ceramic, as you can see. On top of that, it doesn't contain ammonia, which is super nice. Those of you who have window tint know ammonia kills window tint. You're not supposed to use ammonia on window tint. It doesn't go well. It'll work temporarily, but over time it tends to destroy the window tint. So something to keep in mind in the back of your head. The other stuff, this is ceramic. It is water repellent. So it, when you put water on it, or like where I'm at now, they deal with snow. And stuff like that, it repels it. It doesn't stick, which is kind of nice. So I'll go ahead, and as you can see behind me, this Durango is not the cleanest thing in the world. It is kind of on the dirty side. Why? It's been snowing. And I figured I'd go ahead and show y'all what this stuff's all about. So to use this stuff, it's actually pretty simple. You either use a paper towel, a microfiber, such as so, spray it on, kind of buff it in a little bit and wipe it right back off. Now, I'm gonna show you the way I do it. Not all people do this, I know this because a lot of people have asked me how I do windows. The more impressive part is I'm not the greatest at doing windows. I'm not gonna lie, my wife will agree with you, but this stuff I do pretty stout. So, pretty simple. We're just gonna spray it on. The way I do it, one side I'll use to wipe it down, the other side I'll flip it over to buff it off. So it's pretty simple, just like so. Flip the rag over and buff it off. Just like wiping it off. It's pretty easy. So that's the outside. The same side that you used to wipe it down before. And you can see right through it all. It's like it's not even there. All right, so what's about to happen is my in-laws are the ones who own this thing. I'm gonna go around and clean all their windows for them. Before you ask why didn't I do this on my own car, well, they actually have children's. So you can imagine their windows don't stay very clean. They vary in ages. So I offered that if they would let me use their vehicle in the video, I would clean the windows. So I'm gonna go through, wash all the windows inside and out. This makes it super easy, the Shinearmor stuff. I am not a fan of doing windows, to give you an idea. So super excited to use it. They'll get clean windows. I get to get y'all a short little video about Shinearmor. So it's really cool products, very easy to use. Do me a favor, if you decide you want to purchase them, go to the Shinearmor website, which I will put a link down in the description. Actually, you'll see it at the bottom of the page, somewhere around this general area. So you guys can go check it out. Do me a favor, use the promo code SPC2020. You guys will get a discount. I believe it's 20%. I will put a description of what all you guys get. Will help me out, help the channel out. It'll help Shinearmor out and help them keep delivering good products to you guys. So without further ado, I'm not gonna film doing every single window on this thing. Realistically, let's be honest, somebody cleaning windows is not the most exciting thing in the world. So but I gotta do that real quick. A, it's cold, that's the other thing. It is 30 degrees where I'm at. Yes, again, I'm up north, so I'm cold. I'm a Florida guy, I get it. So in the meantime, guys, hope you enjoy this short video on Shinearmor products. Like I said, I actually enjoy it. Those of you who know me know that I'm usually not about doing this kind of stuff unless I have an honest opinion about it. And honestly, the stuff works really well. I'm super excited to use it, on my race cars, because a lot of my race cars don't have defrost, and this stuff helps prevent the fogging of the windows. So yeah, I'm excited. You guys should be excited. Do me a favor, leave a comment down below if you guys have a good experience with it. If you guys purchase it and you have a bad experience with it, let me know as well. I can relay it, let other people know. I can also put it in my videos. That way I can keep everybody honest and give everybody positives and negatives. So as always, guys, life's too short. Get out, enjoy it.